So hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm gonna do a review and tutorial on this 35G Bronze Goals Morphe palette that just came out I think a few weeks ago. I'm not sure, but yeah, I just did this makeup look. Don't mind my blending skills, but yeah, if you want to see how I feel about the palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I just did my whole face makeup, and I'm gonna just do a tutorial with the 35G Bronze Goals palette, and also I'm gonna be swatching and giving you a review on the palette. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eye makeup, and then I'm gonna swatch at the end. So I'm gonna use the color Sandy, and then on the side I'm gonna have the picture on the side and show you what color I'm using. So I'm gonna use Sandy and have that as a transition shade on my eye. On my own, broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down. Next I'm taking Deserted. I'm gonna have that also as my transition shade. All around this empty town. And then I'm gonna take a color called it's Naked, but it's Naked, I don't know, and use that also as my transition. Searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. I'm gonna use Sandy again to just touch up and make it a little bit light and make sure it's all blended out. Okay, so we're gonna use Record Temps on the outer corner to deepen it up. You're unaware, keep moving like the scars aren't even there. And then I'm gonna use Tan Up for the outer corner. In the air, like a blazing flare. Just there, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. So now I'm gonna cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put it on this brush. That's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. For my lid, I'm gonna use So Golden and just pop where I put the concealer. So I forgot to mention that when I tried to put on the gold shade on my eyelid with my brush, it didn't want to go on, but it actually went on with my fingers, so I ended up just putting it with my fingers because it was easier to apply. I'm gonna put Record Temps and Tan Up on the bottom lash line. Meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cry. So after I did my eyeliner, I didn't show it on camera, I'm going to do my inner corner under my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the shade Glare. So I'm done with my eye look, so it looks like this. So now let's go on to the swatching to show you guys all the colors in the palette. Guys, to get makeup off, get these. They're the Neutrogena makeup cleansing wipes, but they're the tiny ones. You could just throw these in your bag. Sponsor me, Neutrogena. I'm gonna show you row by row, so I'm just gonna put them on my hands and show you guys. So these are the first row colors. That's how it looks on my hand. I don't know if these are good swatches for you guys that see. Then we're gonna go on to the second row. This is the second row of colors. Right now I have a 3.6.
Cumulative?
Yes.
Is enough for the semester?
I don't know. I don't like checking that. I don't know how people could be swatching all the time these colors. We're gonna do the third row. Okay, this is the third row. These colors are all similar, but I really like these colors. This is the other row. Why do they all look the same to me? Anyways, so I'm just gonna quickly do a video. Just jump right in. I do have lip gloss on the bottom of my lip. I did not notice that. I'm so sorry. It was
it's bothering me now when I'm editing this video, but it's whatever. But I didn't have my glasses on, so I have an excuse. Finally, we're going on to the last row. This is a lot. I don't know how people could do this. This is how my makeup wave looks like of all the swatches on my hand. Okay, so last row, which is the 5th row, and we are gonna swatch. This is the last row. I actually really like the last row. So what do I think about this palette? Well, I really like the colors. If you guys don't like really shimmery shades, there's mostly shimmery shades in this palette and not a lot of mattes. This is $25, so it's not that bad. What else? I really like it. I just don't know how to blend, so don't pay attention to my blending skills, okay? I'm still trying to do this, okay? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below. Mom, let me finish my video. Oh. And you still start ripping. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, I went the wrong way. Bye, guys.